Well, I did it again. I went into Costco for literally some undershirts and ended up with four 12-inch wireless Klipsch subwoofers and my first turntable. It was really hard to pass these guys up because they were all on clearance. The subs were only $97 each, and then this turntable was $129. It's really hard to beat that, especially this, because when I Googled it, they were selling for over $400 at a lot of other places, but hey, it's that Costco magic. Did I need four subs? No, but I wanted to pick up two, and then the wireless feature and then the price on top of that really made it hard to beat. Are they going to be the best? Again, no, but here we go, $97. They were $199 regularly, but they're just trying to get them out of there, so they got my money. I thinking for today's video, we are just going to crack one of these guys open, check it out, and then on a future video, I will have a review of them when they're set up, my pros and cons, maybe even a measurement or two. Then there'll be a video for this guy for sure. I got to get some records first. Where am I going to, oh, look at this. Look at this setup over here. Now I actually have a few setups. This is going to go into my master bedroom, but this over here is a custom TV console that I made with these hands. It houses two 18-inch subwoofers, one right there, one right there. My LCR Klipsch, not even really a huge Klipsch fan, but it happens, the value's there. It has all of my AV equipment down there, not a single wire showing. This thing even slides out so I can access the subs and the wiring and everything. Don't worry, I'll have a video on that. But for now, let's open these guys up and see what they can do while the wife's still out of town. All right, let's get to it. Now, first things first, let's get this out of the way. Don't go anywhere, I'll be back later. All right, let's get to these guys. So, there it is. Not much to see. You see black? Let's open this one up too. It's black again. It's gonna take too long. Let's just do this. Oh, there they all are. Look at this freaking mess I made though. I'll clean that up later. Hey, wait, what's happening? Wait, look at that! So they're all out of the box. Super easy, wasn't it? Oh, hey, look at that too. You know what? Let's get one of these over to the kitchen back there so we can check it out together. All right, lift with your legs. Nah, they're actually not that bad. They're about 35 pounds each or so, I believe. Somewhere around there at least. Bam. All right. Now, just going by the looks of it, it's a pretty cool looking little sub, I'd say. It has a really nice surround right here. Not anything super aggressive, but again, the price. It has a metallic texture right here that, I don't know if this is actually metal, but feels almost like it could be. It's colder than the wood, that's for sure. You got your LED light, the speaker grill that already has cat fur on it, much like everything else in the house. Pretty good quality then, though. The accessories that came with it, this thing is clutch. It has a little textured back right here, USB in, sync button, wireless transmitter. This in itself is worth the $100. This just comes with a micro USB charger, kind of built in. Regular power wire, figure 8. Propaganda, I'll never read. I'm assuming they expect you to use this wireless connector, so it doesn't come with any kind of RCA cable, but they're cheap if you need to use one. The actual sub itself has this nice black vinyl. It's textured. Not super high quality, but it could be definitely worse. Again, you got to remember the price of this thing. It is good size too. What I like about it is, again, this is a 12-inch sub. Width-wise, it takes up almost a whole box. It's a little taller, obviously, but they were able to get the air volume and hopefully the efficiency by making it a little deeper. If you look at it in comparison to the other dimensions, it's deeper than it is wide or tall. So that kind of is going to help it fit into more furniture, because it's a lot easier to hide it this way versus that way. You know what I mean? It's decent size. It's not too big, but it's definitely not light. The build quality feels like $100. Supposedly this thing sells for $350 or so some places. If you paid that much for it, I don't know if that's a really good deal, but for $97, under 100 that I paid, I feel like I got a bargain without even listening to it, just going by the accessories. This is a huge perk. Looking back here, where the actual amp is, we have the port as well. It's good size, actually. That should help a little bit, hopefully. And then the actual amp, you have variable gain right here. The dial's got a good feel to it, actually, especially when you consider the price. So variable gain 0 to 11, you can crank it to 11. 40 hertz all the way to LFE, which basically turns off this low pass filter. You want to just turn it to LFE if you have a receiver that handles this, but if not, you can fine tune it with that. It has the auto on, auto off feature here, so you can turn it to always on, sensing, auto sensing, which whenever it senses a signal coming from one of these here or both of them, that can be the wireless transmitter or hardwired to the receiver, it will turn itself on and off. Sometimes that's kind of finicky. I don't know how this one works, so some are better than others. You can leave it on all the time or just set it off and then turn it on when you feel like using it. It has a phase control of 0 or 180. Some of the nicer subs have variable phase, which you use to kind of fine tune it, but this is a budget unit. You're not going to get that. Detachable power plug, which is also really clutch. You can get a longer cord if need be, or shorter, whatever. Your options are opened up with that. Little sync button for the wireless feature, and it looks like a little LED light. The specs on the back of this are pretty limited, just the model number, R-120SWI. All right, so that's going to do it for this part. I will have more info and a full review coming up in future videos. So until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for a whole lot more shenanigans. Peace. That one was easy. Whew, man. I have a lot to clean up, but geez, look at that.